tape. And so what I did was I added a couple joints. So I did a remix to Crocodile Teeth. Oh! And then I did a record called Fractions.
What's up, guys? Boy Sinus coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another?
What draws should I wear today? Oh, what draws should I wear today? Should I wear my granny pants?
Bang! But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Yeah, peeps, happy Friday to y'all beautiful people. Yeah. When you ready? Yeah, man, so happy TGIF, man, to all my peeps and just say, man, good morning. But anyway, we could get right tonight. So, Davide and Mackerel have got a serious discussion, you know, with a Virgin Perfume show, you know, on Tuesdays, I think a Tuesday at 9 p.m. and she drops some facts. So, I'm going to listen to facts and thing, you know? Yeah, man.
That are specifically what we're talking about. We don't want to include the other thing. What do you think is the reason why so much young females choose to engage in unprotected sex and become a teenage mother? Give me your reasons, Mackerel.
Let me think. Let me answer that for you. What I think is that relevant. Just some of these young girls will lack a love. We say it's true, we lack a love. Say it's in our mindset, we feel like so when we go out there and a boy tell we say, oh, you know some love you are true mother not tell we are true father not tell we or whatever. So what if we seek love from man? Right. So the thing is that we're not getting attention from our parents them, but yet still you have a little boyfriend where you get that attention with and you in your mindset. And that you call love because you not get a hug, you not get a kiss. But remember, as a little young girl, you know some of them, you know say one thing I go lead to a next thing and lead to a next thing and cause teenage pregnancy, cause that.
Okay.
Because mother if you train you and set yourself relevant, you see a period now and this and that are gonna happen. No, some of we young girls not have nobody for tell with that. So I have a little boyfriend where I say, come now give me a hug, you like a little hug cause the hug feel good. So we lack of whatever you call it.
Lack of
whatever
education.
you call that.
Alright, from where you talk, say, may I hear lack of guidance and lack of education in
right.
educated. Me, I gotta tell you personally, when I think of me see growing up in Jamaica and in the African American and the black community, realize that we don't like talk about sex. Sex is a sensitive topic where we tend to keep it away from our child, and when you keep something away, the curiosity of your child is
exactly.
We have to have the conversation. It's a conversation that we are avoiding in our community, it will create a problem. We have to be willing to have the conversation from early.
Because when you have your daughter, it's not relevant. And you have to say to your daughter, say, you see, when you start your period, and you have boyfriend, and he inserts his penis inside your vagina, you have to get baby. And when you get baby, you start telling them as it is step by step, them go afraid for doing it. Right. But when you lock them in the house, close them in the house, and whatever, and hide it from them, that's going to make them want to go out and see what the world is all about. When you have to tell them as how it is, because remember, them are coming up. And I go, them are going, Yeah. Remember, at the end of the day, them are going to grow up and them are going to have sex and them are going to say, some mother that this for them are just going to go to the way and do things.
So I think we can agree, say, the lack of dialogue, it create the curiosity where you see so much kids have towards engaging in unprotected sex. A lot of it is stemming from curiosity. When you not have the conversation, it push them out there to go figure it out by themselves. Meanwhile, if you did teach them or educate them, maybe they wouldn't have to do that. You understand? You agree to that, right? If they teach them to do, if they teach them what it is about and educate them on it, they wouldn't have to go. They go seek understanding from.
Yeah, tell them how it is and hide it from them and them. Somebody just let them know as a little girl thing how the world is structured. You have to tell them run brawling. The pretty up not for them. Cause I know everybody understand the pretty up talk. You tell them how it is that them afraid for do it or them now want go they go do it.
One other thing.
Boy, Mackerel has come a long way. She has learned a lot. You know what I mean? But anyway, peeps, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the video. And yeah, make we roll to the next one.
Pinky, me don't know, but you have to hear this. Can you imagine? Me da walk. Me a walk up and down just to get me 2 pictures them signed to go start work. And every JP me go, then go say they don't know you. They not sign no picture. They not this, they not that. Then why the JP them? How people be survive if they not get them documents them sign? Eh? Where the JP them have a stamp them a do and me a seek help. Me a seek help to start work. Eh? And you tell me say me want me picture them sign. And me have to walk see me take me own fear. Me last money come over Freeport to get me picture them sign and me can't get them sign. Me up on the road from morning. From morning. Hello JP. And every JP me go then go so they don't know you, they know.
Jano. Down there. As me say peeps, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the whole matter. When you know me do my thing, me talk about everything at the end of the video. Next clip you know.
What drawers should I wear today? Oh, what drawers should I wear today? Should I wear my granny panties or should I wear a thong? What drawers should I wear today? One more time. What drawers should I wear today? Oh, what drawers should I wear today? Wear my granny panties, or should I wear a thong? Should I wear my granny panties, or should I wear a thong? Should I wear my granny panties, or should I wear a thong? What drawers should I wear today?
It bad. My friend them got draws. I don't call them the draws lights. This is a hit.
Alright, see what going on now, yeah? This is the hand we get the vaccination. Vaccination hand. See it? The magnet that. Watch what going on now. So the hand when I get the vaccination. Watch again. You see that?
Put it back again.
Vaccination hand.
See it?
See?
See
The line not tell.
See me I walk with it.
The line not tell.
See that?
Oh, bomb.
Watch out, everybody. The general jump. Watch it.
So far before Tomlinson.
Watch it now. Watch it now. Watch it now. Watch it now. Watch Bubba sanitize the sun. Watch out, sanitize the sun. Dear God, I want to see what.
What? Yeah, peeps. When you enjoy them video, let big up yourself, baby Sinus. Yeah, man, peeps. I really hope you enjoy them video and thing. My thoughts on the whole matter is this. Boy, Mackerel grew a lot. She come a long way and she dropped some gem. A lot of times it's the lack in the home and the lack of training that the parents not really educating the child that cause them to really go out and make a lot of mistakes and thing. And she dropped some gems right there, you know. So home training is definitely important to prepare the child, the young girls, the young youths, them, the youth, them to the mothers of the future, the fathers of the future, the leaders, the future leaders. Home training is just as important as when them go out on the road and learn experience, you know, how to take care of a house, how to clean up the place, how to be independent, how to wash your own clothes, and you know what I mean, some mindset things, sex education, whole heap of thing. It is just as important. Boy, mama, in terms of the JP situation, it's rough because you can imagine you left somewhere with your last money if you come over to one JP I say he don't know you and stuff like that. That situation is well rough still, you know what I mean, because and if JP not gonna know everybody in the world, you know what I mean, and the girl I look at job, Jano, that situation is well rough. See, Nicki Minaj confirmed crocodile teeth, so it look like the whole of this was just some styling thing. So skilly bang people them is that. You know what I mean? When you see the man with the thing with the magnet pan him, man, where you get the shot there, so you're worried about that, you know? You baby Sinus worried about that. You know what I mean? Jano. And the jazz song, what draws should die, we're together, bad. I see woman that sanitize the dirt. I chance, boy, it's rough a road. But anyway, peeps, thank you very much for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below on the whole matter and thing. Happy Friday once again. Big up on yourself and just go on journey with your boy. Hey, easy.
Yeah.